Здраво на сите, јас сум Александра и сум наставничка по англиски јазик. Се надевам дека сте добро, дека се чувате, дека седите дома и редовно миете раце. Денешниот час е наменет за учениците од 5-то одделение и пред да започнеме сакам само да ви кажам што ќе ви биде потребно за овој час покрај вашиот компјутер, се разбира, ќе ви биде потребна тетрадка и молив или пенкало. Денешниот час, исто така, оно што сакам да го кажам е дека во текот на видеото ќе имате вежби за кои што ќе треба да го запирате видеото, да ги одработите, а потоа да продолжите со следење на часот. Денешниот час се однесува на учење нови зборови, односно збогатување на вокабуларот со географски поими. Главната цел, односно цели на денешниот час е да се запознаете со нови зборови, да ги препознавате во устна и во писмена или пишана форма и да знаете да ги примените во дадени примери. Како за почеток, може да се загрееме со читање на кратки реченици, односно со потенцирање на зборовите кои што денес ќе ни бидат во фокус. So, let's learn some new words today and please look at these photos. Repeat after me. Sky. The sky is so high. Land. We are standing on the land. Mountain. A mountain shoots up. Forest. Many animals live in a forest. Now please stop this video and read these sentences again. Thank you. Next. Field. There are wide green fields. Rainforest. A rainforest has lots of rain. Desert. A desert is a very hot and dry place. Sea. The sea is very deep and blue. Once again, please stop the video and read these sentences once again. Thank you. Next. Island. An island is surrounded by the sea. River. A river flows in the sea. Lake. A lake is as smooth as a mirror. Valley. A valley is a low land between two mountains. Once again, please stop the video and read these sentences once again. And the final word, waterfall. A waterfall falls from a cliff. After you've done this exercise of reading the sentences, and you've done a great job at it, thank you. What I want you to do is copy the following link and watch a very, very fun video. Listen carefully and repeat once more. After you listen and watch the video, please stop this video, write down the words, and translate them into Macedonian. Thank you. Now that we are done with the video and the words, I want you to do a simple exercise, a simple quiz actually, about your home, about where you live. I'm going to read the questions now, and then after I read them, please stop the video and answer the questions. Question number 1. Is your town near the sea, a river, a lake? Number 2. In your town, are there any bridges, tunnels, canals? Number 3. Are there any of these near your town? A mountain, a lake, a forest? And number 4. Can you see any of these from your window? A river, buildings, a mountain? Stop the video and answer these questions. Answer this quiz. Thank you. The next exercise for you is to rearrange the letters and write the correct forms of the words in your notebooks. There are 5 questions. Actually, there are 5 sentences. And what you need to do is look at the letters very carefully and decide the right solution. Actually, find the right solution and write down those words. Stop the video and do this exercise. Thank you. Now, Let's check your answers. Number 1, forest. Number 2, mountain. Number 3, river. Number 4, island. And number 5, tunnel. Please read the words and translate them into Macedonian. Good job, guys. Thank you for being a part of this online lesson. I hope it was fun. And once again, please stay at home, wash your hands, be safe. Talk soon.